What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to give you a quick update and talk about some things I've been working on in the background and then what's to come in 2023. So for the last few months, I've been juggling around in my head about what to do with this channel as far as like making it better, evolving, progressing, and ultimately trying to provide better content for you guys, my audience. So with this conundrum in my head, I was playing out different scenarios and trying to figure out what was the best approach. So what I decided to do was to create two separate channels and then rebrand this one. All right, can we get a drum roll for this? So the big announcement is when you do see this video, this channel will no longer be Dad's Dojo. Moving forward, this channel will be Chill Dad Reviews. The other two channels that I mentioned before will be Chill Dad Gaming and Chill Dad Lifestyle. So you're probably thinking, how is this guy gonna handle two other channels and this one when he can barely manage one on his own? Touche, you probably have a good point, but I promise it'll make sense in the end. I mainly decided to make these changes because I don't always have a product to review for you guys. I'm just a small YouTuber and half the time I purchase the stuff with my own money. This way I can still promote content on the other two channels in between the review videos. This channel, Chill Dad Reviews, is still gonna be the same thing. I'm providing you guys reviews on affordable products and giving you my honest opinion. Nothing else is changing besides the name, cleaning up the channel, and focusing on more content for you guys. And Chill Dad Gaming is basically what it sounds like. It's a gaming channel. I play games 1 to 3 times per week. So I'll record some random moments, and I do play games with my son sometimes, so I'm sure we can come up with some crazy challenges and do some fun stuff for you guys on that channel. And the last channel, Chill Dad Lifestyle, is all about health, fitness, a balanced lifestyle, and maybe some travel videos here and there. Essentially, the lifestyle channel is gonna cover all those other moments when I'm not making a review video or gaming. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see nothing but food pics and food recipes. I love to cook and I love a healthy, balanced diet. I'm either thinking about food, going to buy food, or cooking food. So when I started Dad's Dojo, I didn't really know what I was doing like any other small YouTuber. I just started making videos. I actually started out with a cooking video and then I started doing random stuff with me and my son and gaming videos. It was kind of all over the place until I started realizing and focusing on reviews. There's one thing you can learn about YouTube is you really have to find your niche and really focus on a specific set of content for your audience. So I learned a lot from YouTube over the last few years, and I think this is going to be the right step in the right direction, and hopefully you do too. So I chose the name Chill Dad because I think it embodies who I am. Most people who know me well will say that I'm a calm, level-headed person most of the time. And generally, yes, I think I try to remain calm and chill for 90% of the time. I mean, usually there are some moments, of course, where I get angry and upset. That's just human nature. But yes, I am a chill person all around. And of course, you already know I'm a dad, so it just made sense. Please do me a favor and go subscribe to those other two channels. You can find the links in the description below and also in the featured channel section of this channel. So that was the announcement I had to make, and that's gonna be it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you think, if this is a smart idea or maybe not. Be honest, I enjoy the feedback. All right, everybody, that's it for me. I'm out of here. I'm going home. I'm already home.